Hey guys, what's up? Got a new bike the other day. Just a little Chinese Yamoto. Got it for real cheap. A lot of problems with this bike. But that doesn't matter because I have like 3 engines for it. Double parts, triple parts, everything you can imagine. So the bike's pretty beat up. But for $40, there's a lot of parts here. Pulled a little bit of the wiring out, but it was all fucked anyway. Didn't have the muffler tip when it came. Look at that, just loose. The electric start's all loose. But I have a couple spare motors up there. Whole bunch of carbs. Major parts for it. Wiring, all that. Lots of parts over there. Everywhere I got parts for these little Chinese bikes. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I might just take this motor out. Yeah, thinking about throwing that motor in this little four-wheeler. Be pretty cool. So yeah, that's the weather I'm dealing with. Started painting this, that's what's delaying me. It's just fucking rain and snow and fucking hail, all this bullshit. We're a few weeks into April here too, so. But here's my new bike. Not too sure what I'm going to do with it. Pulling the motor out. Too cold to paint, so may just clean the garage up a bit, rip this motor out, take all the parts off, get it all fucking cleaned up. Taking up too much space. But thanks for watching. Gonna get back into the videos now. Been lazy lately, working a lot. So get this scene torn apart. Hopefully get this bike painted up by the end of the weekend. Found some nice old stickers for it. Paint job kind of got fucked up too. I was painting one day and it started to spit outside. But you know what, I really don't give a fuck. Might sand that little piece off and fucking redo it. That's really the only bad one. It's gonna be mud once I get my stickers on there and fucking ride it a few times. Who cares? It's only a $500 dirt bike. So, thanks for watching. Little Yamoto 50cc Chinese piece of junk. Take her easy. PG out.